Hi everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we have learned how to get updates of the room status and show it inside our home screen. But in this video, we want to create a way to create a new room and send a signal to the server that, hey, I want to create a new room. So I'll create a component and add a component here called room name alert dialog. So this one opens a dialog and asks for the room name, and it has a button to confirm and also a negative button to just create the room. So let's go to our home screen and create an instance of it here. So I'll create the context like this, local context dot current, and then create my room dialog, which is equal to room name alert dialog. The context I'll pass our context list, and for the callback I'll instantiate it anonymously. So it's going to extend from room name alert dot room name dialog listener and implement the members of this listener. So we will have an onCreate room. We want to modify our main view model that, hey, onCreate room clicked. We use this function to give the room name to the event sender to server to make us a new room. And then using the nav controller, we want to navigate to the conference screen with the room name that we are giving to it. So let's go to our constant and we will have a fun conference screen with the room name as the input, and its value is going to be equal to conference screen slash room name. So like this, I'll import this one. Also, I would like to create a new file, a new Kotlin file called conference screen, which will be composable, and get the nav controller type nav controller, and main view model type main view. I'll name it conference screen, just like that. Let's not forget to add this screen inside our navigation. So down below, I'll create another composable and give the root of conference screen and give the room name like this. So the arguments are going to be list of nav orgs, and room name will sit up there. The type is equal to nav type.string type. So like this, we will create the conference screen. The room ID is going to be its dot arguments get string and pass room name to it. Like this. For the nav controller, simply nav controller, and view model, main view model, just like that. So right now we can use this navigate and pass the conference screen here and here, nav screen, and we will just navigate to our conference screen. It doesn't matter what we have inside our conference screen for now. So inside my view model, I'll create a function for this onCreate click, and then try to show this create room dialog inside a button that says, hey, let's create, or just like that. We'll show it inside here. Okay, so let's create this function inside my main view model class. Using room name, I'll use event sender, which I do not have here. I'll replace this one, event sender, and create room name. So we simply, just send signal to the server that, hey, create us a room, and then navigate to the conference room. Also, before starting the application, I forgot about to add a context type to this module, and it has to be context. Okay, so let's go to our main view. Yeah, the context is being injected right now. Let's launch our application and check if we create a room, everything goes well. Yeah, we got a crash because it says, hey, I cannot create an instance of view model. It's because we didn't annotate our main activity as Android entry point. Okay, so let's run our emulators. I have two emulators up and running. The first one started the service, same as the second one. And inside my WebSocket server logs, I can see there are two users being stored. So using one of them, I'll create a chat room and call it the test. You can see one of them created the chat room with the name of the test, and second one got notified because it received a signal from the socket server that has the flag of the room status update and has the data within. So we are good to go for this part. On the next video, we will try to join the room and start the WebRTC stuff. So to do that, we have to create our WebRTC package and its classes to handle the whole connection. Next video is pretty much the hard time, but we can do it. So till the next video, see you everyone.